So let's get cooking. Today I'm going to make for you egg shrimp noodles. Here I'm going to use 26 cents Ramen noodles. So let's work the magic and make it yum. So let's get cooking. First things first, we add a little bit of oil. So first let's add the garlic. Wow, garlic smells really good. We could now add the onions. I've used half an onion, 2 pieces of garlic. Once these turn slightly brown, then we could set aside. It's beginning to smell really good. The onions and garlic. Mixed vegetables. Here we have corn, beans, and the carrots. Looks very colorful. Well, the mixed vegetables have been pre-cooked, so you don't have to cook it for too long. Now we could set it aside. Now we could add the shrimp. I've used about 10 shrimp. These are baby shrimp. Shrimp are pre-cooked, deveined, the tails have been taken off. Now we could add a little bit of oil and fry the eggs. I like the eggs to be like shreds. Wow, it's beginning to look really good. Alright, we can now mix it all. Now we could add the noodles. Here I've used 2 packets of Ramen noodles, half a teaspoon of oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons of soya sauce. A pinch of Ajinomoto. Wow, this is looking beautiful. Love it. We can now top it off with some green onions. It's now time for the taste test. Wow, it's delicious. If you love the video, please let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and see you next time.